massive warnings today that they were over, but no. Another flash flood warning.
County in northwestern Arizona, south central Clark County in southern Nevada until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time at 4:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 4:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over Idaho Beach. The rain is moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include
Here's what I'm gonna do. Just in case I ever miss it, again, I'm gonna put in tune-in radio. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do it on the TV. If I can.
For and who they advocate for, and those really are two different things, and that's really where the conflict of interest arises. Now remember,
No, I don't want to.
physicians and members of the team medical staff are human beings. We tend to forget that.
Do they
doctors
do
are
EAS
human
alerts
beings.
on
It's
internet
the practice
radio,
of
like
medicine. But this is where the conflicts of interest
just
really
in case?
come up.
We're sitting in what we call a cold environment.
We're gonna. Oh, hold on, just 1 second.
This is really happening. So this is in
Okay, I get it.
This is in the throat.
Alright, so it doesn't play on online radio. So, only on AM and FM radio.
a warning from the National Weather Service will follow shortly. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for west central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, south central Clark County in southern Nevada until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time at 4:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 4:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doppler radar indicates a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over Idaho Beach. The rain is moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Searchlight, Cottonwood Cove, Campground, and Roll Beach. Flash flooding is expected in washes, low water crossings, and on roads. To escape rising water, move to higher ground. Never try to cross a flooded road or enter a flood channel. Turn around, don't drown. Report flooding to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter.
For everyone. Looking for another way to
So,
support PBS by donating your car, truck, motorcycle,
no rain still.
PBS, you're supporting the programs you value.
I'm just waiting for that rain to come.
Regardless of its condition, and you'll receive receipt from the tax office.
We'll have more soon. So, until then, peace.